Okay, Lawrence and Antiwa, we just had the most amazing experience because I talked to this guy, really nice guy, and then we went back and we tried to get his name, or I tried to get his name and number, and I couldn't get it. And then you guys came up. What did you do? Like, what was your strategy? How did you make that happen? You got him engaged. You got his name and number.
Yeah.
Do you remember like what did you do?
I don't know.
We just, I mean, I
We
think
just try to be
with
natural.
time it just becomes more natural.
Yeah.
It's more, you know, the first few, you're a little nervous.
Yeah,
you know,
because in the first few minutes they will not know, they don't know who you are, so they are kind of nervous and have this, can I really open to this person or not?
Yeah.
You see, actually, that's what's happening. So, getting them relaxed in a relaxed mode, and try to be one-on-one with them, it becomes easier.
Do you remember which question you asked to sort of keep him? Like, there were a couple of questions you asked. You're like, are you from India?
Oh, he says, you see, when they were talking, oh yeah, I know how, this is how it started. They were talking, and then I said, what other language do you speak?
Right,
then
that's how
we
did it.
He opened up because then we started.
Is that him? Yeah.
How are you,
my
sir?
brother? How you doing? Good. 300.
Anyway, but we started, when I said, you speak any other language, then he said Hindi. And then he knew that if he speaks Hindi, he's from India.
Yeah.
And then the conversation just got
took off
broader
from there.
and broader. Because I said, oh, I like Indian food.
Yeah.
And then he talks about his wife. And then he asked about the child. Where do you have children?
Right.
And it just became more and more relaxed.
It just sort of, it was
more
beautiful.
relaxed,
You guys, like, were amazing.
No, he just blew me when he says, oh, can we get your name? I mean, he just naturally just say, oh, we can't have this good conversation and
Not give us your name.
No, that was,
How are you feeling, Lawrence?
Wonderful.
Thank
that
you.
was wonderful. That's 102.
102?
Yeah.
Yeah, 102, yeah.